This is a how-to video on how to post on Facebook Marketplace. When you're logged into Facebook, go to the top right and click on the grid, scroll down and click on Marketplace. Once you're in Marketplace, go to the left and click on Selling. At the top left, you'll see Create Listing. Click on Item for Sale. And all of the fields that you'll need to fill out will be on the left-hand side, and it will show up as a preview in the big square in the middle. So click on this section to add pictures. You can select from your computer, you can select more than one photo, and if you're not happy with one of the photos, you can click on the little X on the photo display to get rid of it. And then fill out all of the required fields on the left, the title, price, category, description, etc. Click on Next, and then enter the location of the item. And then once you've gone through all of the required fields, click on Publish. And these are options where you can boost the listing. And if you don't see it pop up immediately on the Your Listings tab on the left, just refresh the page and it should pop right up. And there you go. That's how to post an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace.